Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another unboxing, and all of the art supplies here are from Viviva Colors. I did pick out a few things here. I have a variety of items. I have a new notebook and some of the refills, and then I picked up their pan set as well. And I picked out a different sketchbook than the one I already have. This one is a bit bigger. It is 120 pounds. This one is hot pressed. I normally get cold, so I'm trying something different there. 64 pages. And it's the square ivory. Lots of pages in there, and then there's that little tiny pocket in the back. And I did pull out my old one. I just wanted to see like a size comparison here really quick. And I just wanted to check the colors. Some of them were a little bit brighter than others. Mine are both the same though. Not that it matters. I actually like the ivory paper, but some of them were ivory, and then there's the option for like that really, like if you wanted that stark white. But again, that'll be something nice and new to try, the hot press instead of using the cold all the time. Definitely more smooth, and I enjoy that, the square shape. And then I have some refills here. And there's some information on the back that shows you how to put them in your old sets. You just pull it out, and there is like a sticky adhesive on the back, and they go on really easy over the old color. And just make sure that everything is dry. And in here was the pan set that I'm really excited about. And in this pan set, there are 16 different colors. There's 2 different reds, 2 different oranges, yellow, like raw sienna, burnt umber, a few different blues and greens, and then like a purple and a white. So I will be doing all the swatches in a separate video, so you can stay tuned for that. This one is just the part 1 unboxing. But what's really interesting too is that these have like a cork board as the palette. And there is a small like piece of paper attached to it that you can use for mixing. And there was some information and really nice card illustrations here. And there was a few more surprises in this little envelope, which I thought was really nice too. There's another drawing in there that you could color on. And there was also that little tiny bookmark is full of paints as well. And some more artwork there that's really cute. There's so much detail there. So you can use that as a postcard if you wanted to. And this little bookmark, I thought that was so cute. I haven't seen these in anyone else's video, so I was really surprised. But there is a tiny hole at the top, and then you have your colors. So you can, if you wanted to put like a little string or something on the top, you could. And then there's that little plastic piece to protect some of the colors so it doesn't get stuck there. And one of my favorite things about Viviva is their packaging. They have really, really nice packaging. You can tell that so much thought and care went into these, and the fact that they try to make everything eco-friendly is a big bonus as well. They have a really nice swatch sheet there with all the color names on them. And you can also make your palette more personalized there. The cute little artwork again. And I'm just cleaning up a little bit here, putting some things off to the side. And I wanted to show and figure out how to use these refill sheets. So I'm going to pull out the greens here, and there's, well, blue and green together. There's 4 colors in a pack. So this one is the light green, sap green, the Persian blue, and peacock blue. And then there's the sticky adhesive. You can just peel it right off there like a sticker. And they're very easy to use. So I noticed on my old one, I used up a lot of my greens. So I'm going to use the light green. I'm going to pull out my old one, and this was the original set. And you'll be able to see what a difference, how old that one is there on the top. And I tried to peel it off, but it really wasn't working. But it does say in the instructions to just leave it there. It just said to make sure everything is dry before you stick it down. And then everything was really secure and tight, which I will show. Also, if anyone is interested, there will be a Viviva link down in the description below. And that is it for today's unboxing video. Be sure to stay tuned for part 2, where I'm going to do all the swatches, and then I will include some artwork. And then, yeah, so stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.